Hi, my name is Patricia Miller, and this is my screencast for Unit 2. My weather station is located in Kodiak, Alaska, which is an island in the Gulf of Alaska south of Anchorage and Fairbanks. My weather station is located downtown Kodiak near the base of P.Miller Mountain, and it faces away from the mountain towards the heart of downtown. I'm about a quarter of a mile away from St. Paul Harbor, and it's connected to the ocean. My exact coordinates are 57.47 degrees north and 152.24 degrees west. In this picture is both my weather site and Christina Miller's weather site, or the area of where it's located. I thought it might be interesting to see where we are in relation to each other, and so throughout the course we can see maybe what the differences are and why for our weather readings. Here's a closer look at my weather station, and I took my indoor weather reading on January 23rd, 2014 at 4:42 p.m. I unboxed my barometer, and uncalibrated it said that it was at 995.7 millibars and 29.5 inches of mercury. Looking at the National Weather Service website, their reading said that the biometric pressure was at 1,003 millibars or 29.6 inches of mercury. So after calibrating my barometer and letting it sit for a little while, it said that it was at 1,000 millibars and 29.5 inches of mercury. Taking out my digital thermometer, my left thermometer said that it was 67.7 degrees Fahrenheit or 19.8 degrees Celsius here in my apartment. The right thermometer said that it was 66 degrees Fahrenheit or 19 degrees Celsius. I looked at my other thermometer here in the apartment, and it said that it was 68 degrees Fahrenheit, which would be about 20 degrees Celsius, so not too much of a difference in the temperature readings. The orientation of my observation site is 138 degrees with the magnetic declination of 16 degrees incorporated. It was about 4:53 p.m. when I went outside to do my outside readings. Right after I was done with my inside readings, I took my instruments outside so that they can sit and get good readings of outside. So the left thermometer outside said that the current temperature was 40.1 degrees Fahrenheit or 4.5 degrees Celsius. For the left thermometer, the maximum was 42.7 degrees Fahrenheit or 5.6 degrees Celsius. For the left thermometer, the minimum temperature was 39.1 degrees Fahrenheit or 3.9 degrees Celsius. For my right thermometer outside, the current temperature was 41.8 degrees Fahrenheit or 5.4 degrees Celsius. The maximum for the right thermometer was 45.9 degrees Fahrenheit or 7.7 degrees Celsius, and the minimum for the right thermometer was 41.8 degrees Fahrenheit or 5.4 degrees Celsius. Outside, the barometric pressure was 999.5 millibars or 29.5 inches in mercury. The wind on the Beaufort scale, I would say, was a 2, a light breeze where you could see some branches moving here and there on the trees, and you could feel it on your face a bit. The wind was coming from 78 degrees northeast, and that includes the magnetic declination in that reading. It was really foggy out, so the cloud coverage was 100%, and it was accompanied by light rain. The visibility was terrible. I looked at the NOAA weather website, and it said that we only had about a quarter of a mile of visibility, so that means that no planes were coming in or out that day. Because we had landslides in Kodiak recently, I wanted to show where one of them took place because it was really close to where I'm at, As you can see, it came down the road and into the main street here of Kodiak, and it even made all the way into the center of the Y. So that was kind of scary, but nobody got hurt luckily, and they had it cleaned up even before I went to work that morning. So that's the weather here from Kodiak. Thanks for listening.